Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to open Excel in Windows 11. So click on Start, then search Excel and open it. And if you don't have this official Excel Office, Microsoft Office installed in your Windows laptop or PC, so you can access online freely. So in this case, you need open any browser. You need to search officelive.com. Search Office or officelive.com. You need to sign in. Once you search office.com, you need to sign in using your Microsoft account. Also, you can use your Gmail account, and also you can create free account here. And here guys, you will almost find all program of Office like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. So if you need to access Excel file, you want to edit, click on it and you can create blank workbook, and there are almost you will find useful features in this Office online. So these are two methods you can open Microsoft Excel in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.